We're now at step 2 of the guideline. Now you have to define sustainability and you have to make yourself a strategy for the refurbishment project. We are operating with 70 indicators for sustainability in this guideline. They are divided into 5 main groups, which are technical standard, environmental, social, economic and process. You also have to make a strategy for your business as a client. In this strategy process, you have to ask yourself some questions. The first is, where will we be active? The second is, how will we get there? Then it's, how will we win? What will be our speed? And how will we obtain our returns? These are very important questions when setting the strategy for the refurbishment project.